Will sign language affect babies' verbal skills? There is no research indicating that teaching sign language could impact a baby's subsequent verbal skills and speech development. In fact, it may help prove verbal interaction since parents often use words while using baby sign language. It is vital that parents use words and sentences in conjunction with the signs, making the baby associate words or phrases with the signs. As the baby grows, you may rely less on signs and use the associated words instead, replacing the sign with the word eventually. The positive effect of sign language on a baby's verbal skills will depend on the usage of the word. Parents who rely only on signs or replace words with signs may notice no improvement in the baby's verbal development. Excessive use of signs at a stage between 18 to 24 months, when the baby can speak simple words, may even cause regression in baby's verbal skills. Therefore, incorporate the use of words with signs to benefit the baby's verbal skills and oral language development.